So what do we have here? Well, I kind of like to make it short, sweet, and very, efficient in a way. I want to explain to you one thing, and you need to understand this. When you express feelings in Spanish, okay, well, feelings are likely to change, right? If I ask you how are you, you may tell me, well, I'm fine, you're having a good day, but that may change, right? So why am I saying this? Because in Spanish you have two ways of saying to be. You have estar and you have ser. I'm going to emphasize estar for the sake of the feelings, okay? And what you must understand here is that that's not it. The problem that we have here is that depending on who you talk to, you could be talking to a friend of yours, somebody you're very close to, a peer, somebody at work that you work with, you see. And in this case, if you want to say, how are you today? You're going to say, ¿Cómo estás? Okay? Hoy, or anyway, in the likelihood of you, my friend, I'm very familiar with you, so I'm going to say, ¿Cómo estás? Right? Now, if you want to say, how are you? To your teacher, to an elderly person, somebody that you don't really know, could be somebody your age as well, but that means that you don't know. Okay, so here you're going to have to show some kind of a distance, all right? So what you're going to say, instead of saying ¿Cómo estás?, you're actually going to say ¿Cómo está usted? U-S-T-E-D. Here, bear in mind that remember that right here with those two little questions here, we are talking to one person, right? This is singular, all right? You will see down the road that you can also ask a group of people, how are you all, right? And that will be a different spelling, all right? Why? Because you'll be using a different subject, all right? So the verb estar is the infinitive, all right? That's the basic form of the verb. That's like me saying to you, to be. You add the to in the front of it, and you get your infinitive, right? So if you ask the question to a friend of yours, how are you? You're in the second singular, you're saying you. Now we'll get to that when we get to the verbs, okay? For now, just remember how to say how are you, somebody close, or how are you to somebody that you need to show some kind of a distance to, okay? Well, that will be all for this little video. I hope that helped. Make sure that you write that down in your notebook, and I will see you soon in the next instructional video, which will be number 5, right? Hasta luego!